We're here at Duncan Basti and specifically just next to the DC Court Junction, and behind me as we go straight down is the Daba, the Dimapur Our Baptist Arugu. But why we're here is to show you, the viewers, that there's this massive pit, massive hole here on the footpath which is used by many pedestrians every day. And recently there was a viral post that went on social media regarding this particular hole over here, and this is connecting to a drainage that is directly connected to a toilet over here, being used by the shopkeepers over here as well, in and around over here. Now Nagaland News Network wanted to know exactly what the concerned department was doing in regard to this pit. Now we spoke to the Urban Development Department, and then he said that there are no funds regarding to maintain such places over here in Dimapur, and there is a fund restraint. That is what he said. And in regard to all this pits and holes that are there all over Dimapur town, as everybody knows that there are pits like this, not just here but in all across the commercial hub of Dimapur. Now he said that once funds only come, it will be their top priority to fix this pit. And we will also show you on your screens the other areas on this stretch of road where there are again other small holes. Now we spoke to a few shopkeepers here, and then they said that yes, they have heard of incidents where people falling down over here, and especially in the evening hours where it's dark and then they cannot see the pit over here, the hole. And even during the daytime, they said their shoes or slippers and flip-flops also fall down most of the time, and this will cause grievous injuries to people over here, especially children and old people. Even on your screen also, we just saw an old lady walking across here right now, being very careful and cautious while walking on this footpath. This is another such hole or pit on the footpath here at Duncan Basti, on the stretch that we were just speaking about. That is the DC Court Junction behind me, and the Our Church, that is the Dimapur Our Baptist Arugu, that is right in front of me. Now this stretch has a lot of pits like this on the footpath, which will be causing a lot of disastrous incidents over here. And like mentioned earlier, a person also fell down and caused major injuries, where she was also admitted to the hospital. The Department of Urban Development, the official, informed Nagaland News Network that there is a fund restraint, and accordingly only they can move forward. And right now they cannot move forward, but it is their top priority that once funds are released, such places will be maintained and fixed, and prevent such accidents or incidents from happening in future. We would also like to question the government of Nagaland as to why is there such a delay in releasing of funds for this major work maintenance that needs to be done, especially in the most populous district of Nagaland, that is the commercial hub of Dimapur. The Urban Development Department seems to be ignoring these nitty-gritties of the town development. Now we will just wait and see. This is a developing story. We will have to continue to see whether any work is taking place for the development of Dimapur town. Esther here with camera person Moa for Nagaland News Network.